see here, just read it and see. When you open these things, don't go for a targeted program name or something. Just try to read it and close accounting period. That means Oracle will allow to close the period by program as well as manual. Open. So you can go here, somewhere you can see open period also. Open. Open accounting period. Note down. Open accounting period. So if you go here, you need to select the ledger name. What is the ledger name? Bhavya. General. What is the ledger name? Bhavya, right? Then why it is not coming?
Yeah, that's the issue, sir. Yesterday almost just we are facing that. The LOE is not populating.
Let me try. Okay. So here, why August is showing as a default? Any logic is there?
Next week.
That is a future one, sir.
July, sir.
Future.
Next month. Future month.
No. July is already open, right? Why? System doesn't take again opening period as a open. So now eligibility period is the August as per the our books, because we have opened the GL period by manually. That doesn't show again. If I go and click submit button, August period will be open. September will become as a future status. But I don't want to open it because I already opened by manual. Clear? Note down. Run the open general ledger periods.
Previously you were selecting the accounting periods, right? Why it was not reflecting?
That I did not observe. I will check it and let you know. Okay.
Okay.
Run the immediately to open period, or we can schedule job periodically at every month. If I submit, it will go on to open the period. But next month, August, first I would like to open, go to advanced option, go to schedule, using a schedule, monthly ones. This is the not intro question, generic subject. Monthly, by day or by date, first day. Okay. Then timings. You can schedule it, this one. So system automatically open every month starting of the day. If it opens the period for August, September, October, November, it will go continuation. Once you open the period, you want to get some notification from the Oracle system. You can give the notification and receptionist name like Sriya, HCM level, you need to give the mail ID, user ID. All success warning. You can do it. You can assign 1 or 2 people also. That means once period is opened, HCM user, that Gmail ID or webmail ID will get the notification from Oracle server. Today period is open. But you need to have the mail ID at user ID creation level. Just remember. But when I'm trying to explain the class, I given the optional field, if you remember.
So we never put the mail as a mandatory one.
Yes. That is the reason. If we have this type of requirement, request the technical team, make it user creation level, email field as a optional field to mandatory field as a star mark. Clear?
So what is the significance of this one, sir?
This one means what?
What is the use of this open period? When we creating an implementation, this is useful, or when the business user will use this one?
Every month open period.
First listen, and I told you clearly, don't get confusion. Yesterday question is there. How many ways we can open the period?
Okay.
Manual yesterday is shown you.
Yes, sir.
Today I am showing through program. Immediately submit. Third one, schedule the job every month. The 3 steps you need to understand.
Okay.
Clear?
So, sir, what about end date, sir?
End date is not required. It will open the period. 1 minute it will open the period.
Okay, sir.
Sir, to close the period,
You can schedule it. But closed period we never schedule it. Because we need to do the reconciliation lot at month end.
for that also books close particular period is there, sir, right, sir? Like we
Sorry,
can maintain, right?
sorry, I did not hear you. Can you repeat it?
No, sir. Actually, for month and books closing also, we can maintain a separate date, right? Like 4th working day, 5th working day, like that.
But nobody knows Sunday. Opening period, everybody will open starting of the month, ending of the month. After reconciliation only completed, we will do the manual closure.
Okay, sir.
Nasima sir.
Okay?
Nasima sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, is general ledger and primary ledger are same? Hello, sir.
General ledger is the application, primary ledger is the topic. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Please go on mute and please go on mute. Okay? So I am not, okay, just let me schedule it. So you guys can try, and this is not much important. So next one. Note down.
Waiting period you selected as week monthly. That's why it is.
So next note down scenarios. Business process scenarios. Testing. Business process scenarios. Make it note. Okay, I'm going to show the practicals to you.
హలో సార్, ఎక్స్క్యూజ్ మీ సార్.
Yes.
Hello.
Yep.
సార్ నిన్న మీరు పీరియడ్ ఓపెనింగ్ చెప్పారు కదా సార్,
Yes.
అందులో నాకు 2022 వచ్చింది సార్. ఎందుకు ఇయర్ 2020?
Okay. You might be selected that period in the ledger level, first ever open period as a, instead of the 21, you might be chosen 20.
No sir, I already checked it sir.
Then I will check it tomorrow.
Okay.
Next
Okay.
note. See, company level. Every day we will have below scenarios. As a Bhavya manufacturing company, see, legacy system, old system, business users are booking the journal entries or transactions in system like Tally. Now client going to Oracle now. Okay, business users will enter data entry in Oracle. Here, any confusion? So after implementation completed, we will hand over our instance to our application to GL team. They will go and enter. First question, Narsima, why should I do the business process now? You are the functional consultant. You done the setup. Now you want to know whether my setups will allow to, whether my system will allow to book the transactions or not. That you need to do. That we can call functional testing. We can call functional testing. Clear? Okay. Who will do testing? Implementation time. Just listen. Implementation time. Consultant will do testing. Okay. UAT time, within the implementation, we have the user acceptance testing. That time users will test and come. Then only our project will go on. Clear? So before handovering the instance to user, we want to do the test and confirm our applications are working or not without any error. Our all setups are properly configured or not. That will be do the testing by consultant, and we will give the confirmation to client. We done the setup, we tested the scenarios, we thoroughly able to do the transaction. Without testing, if we hand over, what will happen? Users will enter the data. If they are facing the any error, any strange behavior, any setup error, they may raise the question, did you test it or not? So to avoid some panic situation, to avoid some confusion situation, always project manager will recommend us, Narsimha or Srinivas or Avinash, go and test and confirm. Then we will hand over the instance to them as a fresh instance. Clear?
సార్ సైమల్టేనియస్లీ టెస్టింగ్ జరుగుతూ ఉంటుందా అంటే లైక్ ఇప్పుడు
No. Once we done the entire GL configuration, we will do the testing. But institute, I can't complete entire GL for next 20 days do the testing. Part to part, I am showing the how to do the testing.
ఓకే సార్.
Good question. Right, next. Now we have the scenarios. Just non-commerce people try to understand procurement, then sales regularly, then expenses. Okay, then we can buy the assets. Okay. Now I will take the expense example today, simplest examples. Today I paid the rent expenses paid to builder or owner. So what we will do, we paid the amount, really only we can pay 10,000. So I want to book the journal as a rent, as a debit. Okay. We are giving the cash or bank or check we can call credit. So the two lines should enter in the system that we can call journal entry. Still same issue. Still same issue.
సార్ నరసింహ సార్ కొంచెం బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది సార్. ఇట్స్ బెటర్ ఫ్రమ్ మై సైడ్.
Now